Rhubarb and mango compote.
Making jams and compotes is one of the best ways to extend the life of your favorite seasonal fruit.
Let's prepare the rhubarb by peeling the strand and cutting both ends. It's not necessary to peel it, but that's the way I like it. This time I will be combining mango and rhubarb. You can also use apple or your favorite berries. Add in the rhubarb and the mango in a medium saucepan or cooking pot. Add 1 cup of sugar. I also added 5 pieces of brown sugar cubes. Add 1 cup of water, orange zest and about a teaspoon of vanilla. Give it a good mix and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and allow to boil gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring every few minutes. I like to add cinnamon in my compote. This is optional. The compote will begin to thicken, and the fruit will begin to break down into the sop. Continue to stir until desired consistency and thickness. Remove from the heat and allow to cool completely. Transfer it into a mason jar and refrigerate for up to 3 weeks.